Now granted, if I had lightweight spackle on here, it almost looks like whipped cream. And it's very light. You can put it over there and you don't have to really let it dry, and then you can paint over it. But it's not going to be as smooth as this wet spackle. I really just would not feel comfortable doing those patches that way and then wondering later, okay, is it going to be rough? How's the paint going to look over it? How's it going to keep stuck in just one small little area? So that's why I use the wet spackle, the heavy, thick spackle. And yes, I have to come over here a couple times. Because the first time I was here for 15 minutes. I'm here again looking at it, and I've been here for 15 minutes. Now I've got to let this dry all the way, then I have to come back and sand it. Then I have to come back and paint it. So it takes up some time, but if you're doing it yourself, fine. You know, it doesn't matter. I want you to get it perfect, and you can. You don't have to be a professional. And with a few minimal tools, what all did I have? I had a spackle. I had the spackle here, and that was $3.99. This heavy spackling compound, and I've got a putty knife. This putty knife is like a throwaway putty knife for less than $2. Okay, and then obviously you've got to get some paint. You got to match up the paint if you don't know what color it is and all that. Okay, but if you had a painter come out here, they're going to charge you probably no less than $100 to do this patch, maybe even more. So do it yourself and save big. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos